Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. Now we are going to deal with the basic structure of LaTeX file. So on the left you have some really simple LaTeX file that we are going to use for the purpose of this episode. So every LaTeX file contains three parts. So first part, it's declaration and definitions. Second part, it's preamble, and third part, it's content. So the simplest thing that you should understand is that entire content of your document goes in between these two tags, begin document and end document. So everything that is displayed on your document, it's in here, in between these two tags. So second part, it's preamble. Preamble contains information about your document that is not presented to user. Like in this case, you see that we have document title and document author. And the top part of every LaTeX document, it's declarations and definitions. And right here we have at the top document class command, and right here we have use package command. You are going to use package command whenever you are importing some additional packages to your LaTeX document. And at the top we have a document class. With document class we are actually declaring a type of our document. Whenever we change document class, we are going to change way our content is displayed. So with article we are going to get one kind of experience. With report we are going to get different kind of experience. So guys, that is all for this episode. If you like this content, please subscribe and see ya!